our ReStyler. Restyling our home one step at a time. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Stephanie, aka the ReStyler, and this is my husband Davide.
Hey.
And we are sitting currently in our ReStyler, which is our house that we're making over room by room. And as you could probably tell from the title of this video, this ReStyler makeover, we have done our front room, which is a bit of a complicated room for us because it's not only our entryway, but it also doubles up as like our study slash office. So we've had to just fit a lot of different aspects into this one awkward shaped room. It's been a labor of love. That's for sure.
More labor than love.
And also, speaking of labor, we're expecting! So we're just so excited and over the moon to meet the newest little addition to our little voice family in just a short amount of time. And speaking of time, how's that for a cheesy intro? We just wanted to give a shout out to JORD Watches.
So JORD has been kind enough to reach out to us, and we are so glad that they have, as these watches are not only beautiful timepieces that we absolutely love the look and style of, but they're also fantastic quality that you can really feel when you wear them and hold them, as they're all handcrafted in the USA from all types of exotic woods that have all been ethically sourced, which is really amazing. As Davide and I are really working on and trying to become more conscious of our own environmental impact, which also makes it great to know that JORD watches are all environmentally sustainable as well.
So not only has JORD been super generous to bless us with these beautiful watches, but they've also blessed us with the opportunity to bless you guys, our ReStyler family, with discount code, which I'll link in the description box below, along with an epic competition. For more information on how to enter and to be a part of it, which we really think you should, because you get the chance to potentially win one of these great watches for yourself or for one of your family or friends. I'll link all the details for that in the description box below for you guys as well. With all that being said, thank you for your patience. Let's get on into the video. Alright, so I'm in the really beautiful yellow coloured room, and we have literally just spent like, I reckon like an hour and a half to 2 hours sugar soaping and cleaning the walls, taking everything out of the room, all the screws and stuff. And now all we have to do is mask everything off, and then we will fill in all the gaps with no more gaps, and then sand that all off, and then should all be ready to go for first coat of primer and paint tomorrow morning. And then after that we'll do 2 layers of the Hames paint in our colour.
Careful.
I'm feeling like a legion of bats is gonna come out.
Holy moly.
So this is Magnolia White. No, Magnolia Moonlight. Davide wants to show off his pantofole, which is the Italian word for these little slippers. Italian word for the video is pantofole. Is it actually correct Italian? And this is the Precipitous. Oh, just for everyone's satisfaction. Stir that goodness. we are painting still, finishing off bits and bobs. Pretty much, yeah, I've still, as you can see, got to paint away all this lovely purple. And if we spin this way, got to deal with that section. Hopefully the paint should neutralize the palm trees a little bit. And then what we're also going to be doing is, for the blue sections here, Davide, he's just gone and picked up his little heat gun tool that he's really excited to try out, and we're praying really works. And we're going to try and bring all this back to bare wood, stain and then wax it, so it just brings in a little bit more timber into the space.
So we found that with the heat gun, it definitely did work well for us. However, we did find that we also needed to go back over it then after that with the sander, just to finish it off better and get rid of any remaining paint residue that was left on before. And then after we did this, I just went ahead and stained all the trim with a walnut colored stain and then waxed it. So now we're going to get into showing you guys the furniture and building side of this room transformation. So starting off, one of the key furniture elements that we needed in this space was an entryway table, and we already had this Kmart table that we used as a desk previously that was quite Scandinavian style for our liking. So to make this more our style, I just took off the laminate tabletop, replaced it with a piece of wood that I stained in the same walnut color, and then spray painted the legs / bottom part all black.
David.
Fair enough.
What? You just did that!
Is that on?
Are we on
I think we're live.
Are we live?
So another key furniture piece that we really wanted in this space was a desk, and not just any desk. We really wanted something specific to fit all the requirements that we personally need to use it for, which the boys, aka Davide and my brother Franco, did an amazing job of putting together my vision for me, and they executed it brilliantly and transformed this old 1990s desk that was gifted to us by my mother and father. And if you want to know more about this desk and how we restyled it, then we did film it, and I can also upload another video about that for you guys too. So if that's something that you're interested in, just ask me in the comments below.
How does it work?
So for this little build / installation, Davide and I really wanted to just add some more texture and layers to our entryway. So we picked up these 2 window frames from our local tip, along with a large round mirror for $10 each. So the whole lot cost $30, to which we were really pleased about that part. And also we're really happy with the final result and how it looks. It just really fits our style and we love it. So one of the last really important furniture pieces that we needed in this space was definitely some storage, mainly for my art and craft supplies. So for that we just chose to use these standard cube shelves that we picked up from Target, and we propped them up onto some pieces of wood just to give them a little bit more height, and then chose to finish them off by placing and screwing in on top some wood panels that we had cut to size and that I then stained. And now on to my all-time favorite part of any project, styling. quite a while about what the main functions we wanted out of our entryway. We decided that we really didn't want to clutter the space with our shoes and all these extra belongings because we know how out of hand that could get. So the main purposes we chose to stick with for our entryway was a place for really just to store all of our canvas bags that we use for shopping and going out, etc. And also hats and umbrellas and our keys, and that's pretty much it. So for that I just wanted to make it really accessible and really just easy to pick out and chuck in, but also something that would also look neat in doing so. Desperately needed some storage for all of our A3 items such as portfolios and mood boards. So to solve this problem and to make something as accessible as possible for us, I picked up this old shoe rack from the tip as well, spray painted it, and now we have a super cute and practical place to store all of our A3 items.
Okay.
Super cute. Me and Bubby in London. Off to a great.
Where is it?
Here we go. Let's go in. Hey.
hope you enjoyed the video and watching the room transform just as much as we did doing it and putting this video up for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and for all of your constant love and support. We really appreciate it and it means the absolute world to us.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Leave us a comment down below of what your favorite part of the room transformation was. We'd love to hear your thoughts and also maybe any suggestions or tips or ideas. And also, if you're not already part of the ReStyler fam, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and join our family because we'd love to have you.